like super quiet right now. It's really weird.
I know, right? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Tell me who that is. Tell me who that is. Who is that? Are you putting that cup on Elmo's nose? Who is that? Who is that? Nose. Who is that? I know that's his nose. Elmo. Yeah, here. Bye-bye. Oh, excuse me. God bless. God bless. Did I just sneeze on you? I'm like, did I just sneeze on you? I'm like, he just got up. He's like, I just sneezed all over me.